Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add 0 in front number of phone number in Excel. You are going to open your Excel file. You can see the numbers to edit. Now select these numbers, right-click on them, and select the Format Cells option. In this window, go to the section Custom. When you are there, in the Type field, enter the number of zeros to use. Remember to take into account the number of numbers that are in the cell. In this case, we have 2 numbers, and we will add 3 zeros to the left, so we write 5 zeros. When you click OK, you can see those leading zeros. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.